Hi guys. Now, I don't know if this is the first one of this series that you've watched or you've been watching them all along, but if you've been watching them all along, just bear with me a second and I shall explain what I'm doing. Over the last few years on the channel Some Bloke Who Travels a Lot, I've reviewed over 125 different hotels from all over the world in 6 continents. That sounds quite impressive, doesn't it? Anyway, I'm highlighting some of those, bring them up to date, linking to special offers and deals so you get the best prices, and telling you a little bit about the hotel that I stayed at. And this one is in one of my favourite cities. It's Lisbon. I talked about Lisbon in another video, but I love the place, and I think that might be a retirement destination. Not sure yet. Anyway, why should you stay at the Novotel outside of the main centre? Price. And if you're in the summer, it's got an outdoor swimming pool, really friendly staff, huge big teddy bears everywhere. There's me and a teddy bear. And it's got one of my favourite things in Spain and Portugal is a Court Anglais nearby. So if you want to watch the full video on this and it'll show you the location, etc., or you just want to go straight to the hotel, have a look. The links are in the description. And if you'd like to see more of my hotels of the day, then you know what to do. Give it a like, give it a subscribe, which is free of course, and then hit the bell and YouTube will let you know when I post the next video, which will be tomorrow, but I don't know where it'll be yet. I haven't decided that one. Anyway, I shall see you tomorrow. Well, hopefully. It'd be nice if you came round. See you later. Bye for now.